Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making baked donuts. This is a recipe that I found on Food Network, and so we're gonna make it. But before we make it, to make sure this works, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that gray bell so you get more tasty recipes just like this. So first we're actually going to put in all our ingredients. So this is half a cup of all-purpose flour. And then half a cup of granulated sugar. Sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So in here I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just gonna put all that in. It's pretty. And then we're going to put half a cup of milk. And we're actually going to mix it so pour in a little in and then mix it. I put it down and mix a little and then pour some more in. Actually, I'm gonna put a little more. And then just keep on pouring. And then add 1 egg. I need my butter. And then, so that's 1 egg and half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And then we're gonna add in 3 tablespoons of melted and unsalted butter. So this is our butter. It looks weird. And then now we're just gonna keep on mixing. And you have to make sure you preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then spray the pan that you're going to be making the donuts on. And then now, once it gets like fully mixed and there's like not anything left, then you're gonna bake it for 10 minutes in the oven. And so I'm actually gonna bake this because it looks pretty mixed up. And then I'll be back to you once it's baked. So I finished doing the glaze, so it looks really pretty. And so because I mixed it in here, which is like, it has the little thing for pouring. So I'm just gonna pour this on this one first. I'm just gonna use my spoon so I can spread it out. And so I don't have just chocolate chips. And this looks really good. So I'm just gonna keep on pouring this. I'm just gonna try this first. It tastes really good.